for me. Damn, I missed this hole.
There's no screws in the outside edge anyway, right? There's none screws here because it will pull right up if there ain't. Where his knees are.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it'd be good.
If there's no screws there, it'll pull right up.
Yeah. No, it's screwed outside. Yeah, that side is screwed up. I think it's screwed up.
Yeah, it's gonna look good. Oh yeah, it's gonna look real nice. Go on down with it.
See what she do.
Oh, that's beautiful. Looks straighter than an arrow. Just try not to dig them in too deep, that's all. It'll look beautiful. Look at that. That's gonna be nice. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Purdy, man, purdy. Looks like I put a new roof on it. I like it. Oh, that's right, we did.
Man, fucking power hose.
Yeah, I forgot about them.
No potty hose over there.
Forgot about them ones. I got bored. I got bored with it.
Real quick. I'm gonna put mine in first. Hold yours down.
Just make sure you flush on your plywood on the outside and you're great to go. Beautiful thing. Makes that round roof look like it's got a peak on it. Strangest thing ever. They'll pull it right down.
I want to put one pressure on one screw.
Very nice. That's beautiful. Gonna get a picture of that one down below. And that's what it looks like. We'll cut the tails off, of course. Now adding the other. See, then we'll get cut off. This is your overhang you're making right now. You're making your overhang. And this is how you make overhang. What's this piece of plywood I'm walking on?
That's at 31.5.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna make it down 2 foot.
Okay.
Put one there. One there. I said we'll come back to it.
Adding the overhang.
This makes our box.
Yes, then you can make the boxing with that.
That one's pretty straight.
Every once in a while we get lucky, huh, Paul?
Yeah, right?
Get a straight board. You see that wormy one?
Yeah, I just did.
Did you see that? It's full. I've never seen so much.
I was shaking my head.
Like, wow. I see dark clouds. Supposed to get some rain tonight, guys. Supposed to get some rain. One more? Oh yeah, all day. How many more you need over there? Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about right there, Paul. The board.
Oh.
Look at that. Ain't that something? That's a lot. I've never seen that much.
You got a brass foot right there. You'll never get no screws in that. We cover it up.
Overhang.
Where's the water going to hit that now?
Out there in the ground somewhere out here. Not going to run down the side of the house like it was.
No,
Makes a big difference right there, everybody. This is adding the overhang. That's why we leave the plywood 6 inches over right here. Very important. Or whatever number you decide to go with. You can go 1.5 inches if you want to. We've actually, in the past, done them right flush up against it and put a turn bar just above the gutter. But not these type of gutters because they're too small. Not even enough room to put it in there. But the bigger gutters, not very much bigger, but bigger. We have, when we first started doing it, we never put an overhang on it like that. That overhang made all the difference in the world the way these things look when you're finished. Changed everything. That's great right there, guys. I like it. That will get metal on it tomorrow.